This old desk has seen better days. A put-it-together-yourself job from a few years back, and it's been through it. Scratches, scuffs, and a surface that definitely wasn't camera-ready. And if that wasn't bad enough, here it is paired with a 10-inch ring light on a plastic tripod. It barely stands up straight. Flimsy and lightweight, it struggles to support even a basic phone. That bubble level built into the phone mount? Cute idea, but pointless when the whole thing shifts and slips the moment you add a modern phone. Trust me, today's larger phones are too heavy for this setup. But that ring light isn't what this video's about. To clean up the look, a roll of matte black contact paper from Amazon was the answer. It's low glare, budget-friendly, and smooth enough to hide most imperfections. Even better, matte black visually masks small flaws in the surface, making it ideal for an older desk like this. Installation tip: clean and dry the surface thoroughly before applying. Matte finishes help reduce visible flaws. This is where alignment matters. As the liner peeled back, it became clear. Matching to the edge without bubbles or gaps takes patience. Corners weren't the issue. It was the long, straight runs. And yes, overlap happens. The matte black helped conceal a lot, including two 2.5-inch cable holes that were completely covered up using only the paper. Before even turning on the lights, the difference was obvious. That matte finish transformed the desk, clean, uniform, and finally camera ready. It should make every product stand out. Even without studio lighting, it photographs better, with less distraction and more focus. Reflections? Barely noticeable. And that dark surface? It's now the perfect backdrop for anything that needs to shine. Let's take another look at that ring light. This time, against the matte finish. We'll be doing a full product review and comparison soon. But for now, here's what the matte surface does for a product shot. It cuts the glare, keeps the focus, and gives everything a clean, pro-level look, even on a budget. Now let's turn on the light. Once the buttons cooperate. Yeah, not exactly a smooth setup, but that's a story for the full product review. Once it finally powers on, though, the result speaks for itself. That matte finish? Absolutely the right call. No blinding reflections, no hot spots, just soft, even lighting that makes the product pop without overwhelming the shot. It creates focus, clean edges, balanced contrast. Everything looks more dialed in, even with basic gear. Other buyers seem to agree. Some use this exact wrap on desks, bookshelves, countertops, even in DIY photo boxes. One reviewer said it revived their craft table. Another used it on worn kitchen drawers and was surprised by how well it held up. The thickness helps. It's easy to work with, easy to reposition, and hides small flaws nicely if your surface is prepped right. Not all feedback is perfect. A few noted that rough or uneven surfaces might still show through. But that's where the matte texture really helps. It doesn't call attention to every scratch or bump like glossy finishes do. For a budget-friendly upgrade, this wrap punches way above its price point. Clean, minimal, camera-ready, and most importantly, repeatable. Would I recommend this product or buy it again? I already did. After this first run, I've learned a lot. And the next time around, I know I'll get it even cleaner, with fewer overlaps. And for the price, it's a no-brainer.